Hi, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and I just got done with an awesome day of training out on a live fire job. And I really wanted to stop and take a minute to have a conversation with you and share with you something that I was able to use out in the field today and just absolutely loved it. What I'm going to talk about is a capper unit made by Max Air. I've just spent 6 or 7 hours today out on a fire job, not only working the fire job, doing pack out, but training. And I gotta tell you, I've come back feeling pretty refreshed. I felt like I had an air conditioner, number one, on my head. These units are so lightweight, felt like a bicycle helmet. Like I almost didn't have anything on. The field of vision was incredible. You guys, if you've been following any of my stuff, you know two things about me. One, I'm very passionate about doing firework and especially content cleaning and structure cleaning, and I love what I do. And the other thing is that I'm a big proponent of being comfortable doing this work because it is some of the most uncomfortable work you can do in our industry, right? And today I was all that. I was more than comfortable, and I don't plan on doing a fire job ever again without having this unit.